Fix sound effects. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix sound effects easy and quick on your Twitter. So go to your Twitter and click on your profile, click on settings and support, and click on settings and privacy. So here you will find accessibility, display and language. So here you have display and you will find sound effects. So here guys you have sound effect and you can turn it on or off easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next video.